What are you doing?
I'm on Viewmaster.
You're looking through your Viewmaster?
I can't see the light.
You can't see the light? Was I standing in the way? Alright, we're getting ready for Jack's 4th birthday party. Hey, Papa. Thanks for helping me clean all day.
30 years from now, Jack's going to look at this and say, oh, I can't believe how young Papa looked back then.
We got Nana. Where is Nana? We lost her. Oh, here's the spread. Crackers. Cheese. Barbecue.
Wait.
Ooh. Barbecue. Dad's getting all in the carrots, veggies, peanuts. We got it all. We got Thomas the Train silverware, napkins. Well, maybe not silverware. We got if I can see it without the crazy light, we got a Thomas the Train balloon. We got Thomas the Train hats. Percy, Thomas, Henry. We got a Thomas the Train tablecloth. We are all Thomased out. And we got Nana cleaning. She doesn't say much. Papa's the cute one. Jack's the funny one. Nana's a little shy.